Mitsubishi Material's best DIAEDGE product lineup for titanium machining. We have released new movie to introduce our best lineup of DIAEDGE products optimized for machining titanium parts. In the movie, we will provide many tips in how to select the best DIAEDGE products for each application, from roughing to finishing of titanium pylon parts model. Also by showing you the machining path with CAM programs. In the machining movie, a pylon model of an aircraft parts was machined from a large titanium alloy block material. We want more people to see it. So, we will talk about the key points during machining in the movie. In most of roughing process, there will be an issue with big vibration due to high load. However, our VPX can perform stable machining with less noise and less vibration, even in such rough process. For this machining, we used VPX, a long-fluted type indexable end mill with a diameter 50 mm, to perform grooving and side milling. Even after 3 hours of machining titanium, the amount of flank wear was only 0.1 mm, allowing continuous machining without tool change. When finishing of deep pockets, your tool needs to have long overhang, which could lead to chattering and vibration, resulting in shorter tool life. However, by using our IMX head exchangeable end mill, you can efficiently machine even in long overhang milling process, with less chattering and vibration due to the extremely rigid connection between the head and shank. In this movie, you will see how strong and rigid the IMX diameter 20 mm is in a deep pocket milling process with overhang of 160 mm. The tool life was not so different when compared to the normal tool overhang operation. Thank you for watching the movie. We will continue to strive to bring you better proposals. Please contact us when you face any issues in machining titanium. We will do our best to support you. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.